Hey guys, it's Matt the Midnight Farmer. It's gonna be a little bit of a different video today because the Midnight Farmer is on vacation for the first time in 6-7 years. I don't remember. But we're down here in Panama City Beach, and it's me, Brittany, Bentley, her mom Stephanie, and her uncle Steven. Mr. French, you guys remember him from Briarwood. 5th, 6th grade teacher. But they're all down at the beach right now. I'm up here in the condo, and of course I'm still having heat problems, so I'm not. See if you can kind of see the view behind me back here off the balcony. So I thought I'd just shoot a little different video. No farming going on today. I did get a couple of shots, some really pretty coleus. It looked like almost like a mix between a con coleus and maybe a chipotle coleus last night at an office complex. Just kind of driving around and exploring the town. But I'll flip it around. I'm going to show you the condo a little bit. And this place is for rent. If anybody is coming down this way, just get a hold of Stephen French, and he can get you all the details. But it's a really nice place. But again, I'm going to flip you around and show you. Of course, this is where me and Bentley have been hanging out. He's got his little Super Nintendo Mini here, his little kid gummy vitamins. But I got to introduce him to Street Fighter 2 last night, and that was a blast. It's the first time I've introduced someone that young to a game that I guess I'd say meant so much or took up such a large part of, my teen years. There's this kind of really cool see-through TV. Yeah, kind of neat, huh? But he's got his Switch down here. He's played a little Mario Odyssey today. But there's the sink area and the bar area. There's of course, a love seat. It's got a sofa bed in it. This really, really, really awesome chair that is like fully automatic. You don't see any buttons anywhere on it. Okay, I'm lying. I see 2 buttons there. I didn't see those last night. I didn't realize Brittany was pushing them, but it does all kinds of neat stuff. Of course, another one over there. Brittany actually picked out the color. She likes this color blue. There's a house over on Oakdale, just off of Washington Street, with the same color shutters, almost the same color shutters as this. It's a really pretty place. Lots of beachy colors. Fridge, stove, microwave, sink. Everything you would expect. Laundry room in there. There's the guest book, little container of shelves. Okay. Water heater. Bathroom. And it's still, ultimately it's just a shower. But being someone that is, 6 foot plus tall, that shower head's put in at about 7 feet. So it's wonderful for someone tall. It's not often that we get to experience a shower that actually hits us on our heads without crouching over. Bunk beds, mermaids. That's where Bentley slept last night. He got the top bunk, and it's a little tight fit, but I'm in the bottom bunk. It's my phone charger, my laptop cord. Hi, it's Matt. I really like that. That's really cool. This is the master bedroom. It's I don't really want to walk around in here, but it's got, a nice, really big bathroom, big tub. Again, I'm not walking all the way through there because it's not my room and I don't feel comfortable doing that. So, nice pictures. Live a good life, and in the end, it's not the years in a life, it's the life in the years. Yeah, completely agree. Oh man, we've seen so many palm trees and huge succulents. I mean, I could forget the beach. I could just hang out. Of course, these are fake succulents, but I could just literally the entire drive here. I could have just walked around and looked at plants. The binoculars that I took the shot earlier, because again, we're 22 floors up. Really heavy sliding door. So you can probably already hear the ocean. But I took some shots through the binoculars earlier. See if I can pick Brittany out. I see her. Let's see here. That's the wave that just crashed over her. That's her and Bentley. No. Oopsie. Oh, I can zoom. I forgot what I'm doing here. Okay. That is Bentley. And that is Brittany. And, well, Steven and Stephanie are down there somewhere. I don't see them right now. We'll zoom back out. Again, my heat is kind of keeping me from getting out there during the daytime, but I did get to get out there during the evening last night. I got out about 10, 11 o'clock. Me and Brittany and Bentley went down and looked for crabs and picked up shells, and actually really had a really good time. I walked into I'm a big baby. I can get water in my eyes. I've got to close my eyes to dry them out. And salt water is about 1,000 times worse. So, if you're walking on the beach at night, take a flashlight. Or open your eyes. I was walking back up to the beach and managed to walk into a couple of wooden beach chairs. So my right leg is nice and skinned up, but it's okay. But anyways, guys, like I said, it's a little bit of a different video for the farm channel today. Thought about just posting on my personal channel, but I thought, no, it's kind of neat just to let everybody kind of see, us outside of the plant life. And I, really want to thank, Stephanie and Steven for, letting me tag along on this trip. And it's been a blast. You guys, I hope you enjoy it. I might post a few more videos, see if I can't get Brittany to pop into one or two. She doesn't like videos. Oh, look, Mr. Pigeon. Ooh, I was saying bye, but oh no, don't go away. Okay, well, he said bye. So Matt says bye. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next video.